All right, we're back with another edition of Lean Manufacturing the Wirecrafters. I'm Chad, Operations Manager here at Wirecrafters, and today we're in our yellow booth for welding department. What the yellow booth is they weld up stock panels that are anywhere from 4 foot wide to 5 foot wide by 4 and 5 foot tall. And these guys is typically some of our newer welders where they're learning to weld and we can control them on a fixture. So what we got here is, you'll notice we're in the yellow booth. So the cart's a yellow cart, so those things match. Every booth is assigned either a number or a color. All of our stock booths, they have colors to them because they also have a magnet for all the material that's made in there, matches that same color. So the cart, the magnet, and the booth all match colors. Inside the booth, you'll see we got our fixture plates. So because these are typically newer welders that are learning the job, we make sure we're not just leaving their chance that they get it right, and we put everything on a fixture. So they know exactly what size to do, they snap their angle in place, and now the panel can't be too big or can't be too small. They got their identifier in the center for where they're going to put their stiffener to keep the panel's dimensions in the center good as well. What they do is, whenever they come in here, they got their folder, they've got enough work set up to do work all day long for 2 shifts, and then once that shift is done, they'll take that cart out, they put it around the corner, and then the new cart material will come in, which is next day's current work, and they just rotate it day after day.